Do you want to clean install NVIDIA graphics driver in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Sometimes we encounter display issues on a Windows computer. Most of the time, display issues are associated with a corrupt graphics card driver. In such cases, updating the GPU driver restores normal display functionality. However, in some cases, we need to perform a clean installation of the display driver. In this video, we will show you how to clean install the NVIDIA graphics driver in Windows. Let's get started. Method 1. Clean install NVIDIA graphics card driver in Windows 11 using DDU. First, perform the cleaning installation of the NVIDIA GPU driver using a third-party tool, Display Driver Uninstaller. Visit the official website and download DDU. The file will be downloaded as a zip file. Extract it and save it to any location on your PC. Now boot in safe mode. Once you are in safe mode, open the extracted DDU folder and launch the Display Driver Uninstaller. Keep the default settings as they are. Select GPU in the Select Device Type dropdown, then choose NVIDIA in the next dropdown. DDU will show you these options for the clean installation of your GPU driver. Clean and restart. Highly recommended, select this option if you want DDU to restart your computer automatically after removing your GPU driver and all its components from your system. The next option is clean and do not restart. This may cause issues like black screen. Select this option if you do not want DDU to restart your computer after removing the GPU and all its components from your system. This option is suggested if you have to do some other things after removing the display drivers before rebooting your system. If you select this option, you have to restart your system manually. Simply restarting your system will not take you out of safe mode. You have to properly exit from safe mode. Clean and shut down. For installing a new graphics card, this option is useful if you want to install another graphics card on your system. Before installing a new graphics card, it is necessary to remove the current driver and all its components from your system. Click Clean and Restart and DDU will start its work. The process will take time and your display might flicker, but it is normal. After completion, your system will reboot automatically in normal mode. After the restart, run the GPU driver installer file that you have downloaded from the official NVIDIA website. Select the Express option and click Next. The installation process will start. After completion, your system will have the latest version of the NVIDIA graphics card driver. Method 2. Install it using the NVIDIA GPU driver installer file. If you prefer not to use a third-party tool such as DDU to perform a clean installation of the NVIDIA GPU driver, you can use the driver installer file instead. Double-click the driver installer file to run it. On the first screen, you will be asked whether you want to install only the graphics card driver or GeForce Experience along with the graphics card driver. Select the required option and click Agree and Continue. On the next screen, you will see these two options, Express Install and Custom Install. Select the Custom option and click Next. On the next screen, select the checkbox that says Perform a clean installation, click Next. You will encounter some flashes on your screen during the installation, but this is normal. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.